Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into one of the most powerful hidden gems of 2026, Monica AI. While Google and OpenAI are fighting for dominance with their own models, Monica has taken a completely different path by becoming the ultimate AI aggregator. Instead of forcing you to choose one side, Monica lets you use all of them in a single interface, so let's get right into the breakdown for March 2026. The 2026 All-in-One Advantage. In 2026, the biggest strength of Monica is that it acts as a universal remote for AI. From one sidebar, you can instantly toggle between the world's leading models depending on your task. GPT-4o and O series, best for complex logic and math. Claude 3.5 and 4 Opus, best for natural writing and coding precision. Gemini 1.5 Pro, best for analyzing huge documents with that 2 million token window. Llama 3 and Mistral, open-source alternatives for speed and privacy-focused tasks. Why power users love Monica in 2026? Experts are highlighting 3 specific features that make Monica stand out against the native Gemini or ChatGPT apps. The ultimate browser copilot. Monica's Chrome and Edge extensions are incredibly deep. In 2026, it doesn't just summarize a page, it lives inside your workflow. You can highlight text on any website to translate it, explain it, or rewrite it instantly. In Gmail or Outlook, it adds a reply with AI button that uses your preferred model to draft professional responses without you ever leaving your inbox. Multimodal Toolkit. Monica integrates a massive suite of creative tools. In March 2026, you can use DALL-E 3 or the newest Flux models for image generation. Use the Screenshot Ask tool to circle anything on your screen and get an instant AI explanation, or even use its real-time web search that pulls data from multiple search engines simultaneously. Advanced Document Chat. While Gemini has Google Drive integration, Monica offers a document chat that is arguably more fluid for cross-platform use.